Hey guys, welcome to Python video series. As we know that in Python basically comes with a lot of pre-existing inbuilt exception classes, and those exception classes we can use in exception handling. But apart from that, we can create our own custom or user-defined class as well. But before going ahead, let me tell you how we can list out all those pre-existing exception classes. So here I'm going to write very simple for loop. So I will say for ex, that's the variable name in, and here I'm going to write dir, and inside this I will call locals, and inside a square bracket I will say single quote underscore. You have to write built-ins and underscore, and I will print all variables. Right now if I run this code, then here you can see the list. Right, so all those exception classes, apart from exception classes, you see some more functions are there as well. Right, so if you see, functions are there as well. Right, but it will, of course, it will list out all exception classes and error classes as well. Right, that's how we can list out all the exception classes. Let's understand this piece of code. So here I have a for loop. This is the variable name in. This is the main piece of the code. Right, so here if you look into this code, right, locals built-ins, right, so local built-ins will return a module of built-in exceptions, functions and attributes, and we have wrapped inside the dir basically allows us to list these attributes as a string, and that's how I'm displaying these all functions, exception classes as well as attributes over here. Right, so now let's move ahead. We can define our own custom class in Python. So I'm going to create a class, Python class. I will say exception, custom exception. Let's give the name as custom exception. Custom exception. So here we will take a very simple use case, and using that use case we'll try to understand how we can write our own custom class, custom exception class in Python. So here let's say I'm taking two input basically. First, name of the person, right, from keyboard, and second, age I'll take. Right, so here we have input function, and here I'll tell enter your name. Yeah, and second input I'm going to take as age. Right, so age I'll take, but age I would like to take as integer, so I will wrap up this as int. Right, so that we will take input as a string from keyboard, and that we will convert into integer. So I'll say enter your age. That's it. Now here I'm going to take a very small case over here. If age is less than 18, then I would like to raise some exception. Right, and for that raising an exception, I would like to basically raise a custom exception. I will use a raise keyword, and here I will say age validation exception, and here I would like to pass a message. I would say is can't be less than 18. Right, this error message basically I would like to throw. Right, if age is greater than 18, right, then this will go into else part. Right, if age is 18 or greater than 18, then control will go to the else part, and here just I would like to print hello and that name of the person. Right, and here I will print one more message. Let's say learning Python is really fun. Right, now it is throwing an error because this class doesn't exist at all, so I will create this class. Okay, and here age validation exception is a class, and which is a subclass of any pre-existing exception class. So here you can take any of the exception class, but I'm going to take as exception. But here of course you can take another exception, existing exception class as well, or even you can extend your class, your age validation exception can extend some pre-existing or your custom exception class as well, right? But exception is the already existing exception class in Python. And now here I would like to pass one message as well, right? So I will define one initializer class or constructor, and that is called init, right? And there I'll pass this message. I will pass one message that may be error message, and I will do self dot message equals to message. Okay, pretty simple class. Now and of course we can put this code very close to here where we are doing kind of age validation. Okay, and now let me run this code. If I run this code, sorry, I need to run this class custom exception, then it is asking me to enter age, so KK, and age I am going to supply as 23. So it is saying welcome KK, hello KK, learning Python is fun, right? Because control went into this else part, no problem at all. But if I run this program once again, if I am passing age as 16, okay, name as let's say KK and age as 16, right, which is less than 18. Now look at here, it is saying age can't be less than 18. That means control went into this, so this condition became true, and this exception is raising, which is our custom exception, and message you can see on the console. So sometimes when you write a code and at the time what you felt your requirement is not going to fulfill by the pre-existing exception classes, then you can write your own exception class in Python, like in other language what you do, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you understood, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.